Ascentae are a UK technology distributor focused on innovative new technologies. We're here at Digital Construction Week North in order to demonstrate how a combination of hardware and software can deliver digital, simplified, collaborative planning.
I spent hours in construction trailers, standing beside trades who are making promises and planning the work and getting angry with each other when things didn't get done.
Generally, what we're finding is these experiences are based around printing stuff off and sticking it on walls, using pens to annotate plans or diagrams or drawings.
They were using sticky notes on walls and standing back and seeing the big picture. We learned a lot in terms of constructing our software solution.
In order to digitize all of that, you need to have the right hardware experience. We know that the industry is already digitizing and has been digitizing for many years now. The challenge is that the digitization starts with the people who are familiar with complex software applications, as opposed to the guys who are actually on site working on the projects. Nialli is not trying to be one of the big platforms. Nialli are focused on what we would classify as the messy front end, the 4 to 6 week collaborative planning process, and trying to create the best possible experience for the users in that environment, both physical and software. If you do not have enough screens to replicate what I would call digital wallpaper, you are going to see low levels of adoption on site.
Integrations are going to be a critical aspect of how different layers of data work together, and through APIs we'll be able to actually mash things and mesh things where they make sense and have value, make things safer, make things quicker, more efficient, more accurate, more reliable. I think integrations will be an important part of the construction digitization story.
Today I've had a little bit of a meeting with Nialli. They've got a really great solution around Last Planner. The tool works magnificently. When we look at ISO 19650, they've got a solution that they're building around that, which is absolutely fantastic.
Our goal is to try to close that gap and push towards 100% adoption of software applications like collaborative planning in order to deliver the most accurate data back into the businesses.